Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode in your Windows Microsoft Office. In this video I'm going to share you by step how you can set up dark mode in your Microsoft Office, any kind of product. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to open any Word document, like you can open a Microsoft Word or Excel or any kind of Microsoft Office application. So example, I'm going to open Microsoft Word. This appear here, so I'm going to open this Word. In this section in the left side you will find here account. Simply choose that and then you will find here Office theme. Here by default is colorful. If you want to make here, just click dark gray, it will appear dark. If you want to make it black, it will appear black. And whatever you set here, automatically all Office product will be appear the same theme. If you want to make it as it is default, you can choose here colorful and it will give you as it is default. So this is how easily you can change your Microsoft Office theme. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.